And exciting, especially because I don't know if you knew this, Will, but the Earth is running out of oxygen.
We're taking it all up.
So you better hop on that next one, even if it's going to explode.
Okay.
Earth will lose its oxygen in 1 billion years. You got a little bit of time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, why?
I softened the blow there.
Okay, yeah.
The sun is going to get too hot. And
As a matter of fact.
the sun is going to get too hot. Yeah, it's 1 billion years, but the sun's going to get really hot and then screw up the atmosphere. The study predicts that in 1 billion years, the sun will become so hot it breaks down carbon dioxide. Levels of CO2 will become so low that photosynthesizing plants will be unable to survive. That means no more oxygen for the rest of us. No plants, no willy do. I don't know if you were planning on living for 1 billion years. Sometimes I talk to you, you get very upset about your own mortality.
Well, I do.
You just presume you're going to be here for 1 billion.
That's the plan.
What else can happen? It could take as little as 10,000 years for oxygen levels to drop to a millionth of what it is now, which is a blink of an eye in geological terms, not necessarily in the lifespan of an individual, but in geological terms, I guess that's pretty quick. The harsh, choking atmosphere will be incompatible with any multicellular life as it exists today. So, I mean, basically, you're talking about Mars right now, and you don't want to be there unless you got all kinds of fancy contraptions. If the atmosphere gets screwed up, all of a sudden you got all kinds of UV light, and you're just in rough shape, man. You don't want to be there.
Yeah, my NFTs.
Yeah, you're not going to be able to sell your NFTs. You got no buyers. So anyway, I'm just saying, get on the Starship first before that happens.